Are you struggling to keep your book organized and up to date? Or simply looking for a trust partner to handle your bookkeeping so that you can focus on growing your business? My name is Irene, and the founder of Irene Consult firm based in Atlanta, Georgia. If you are a small or medium business owner looking for a reliable bookkeeper who understands your needs, you are in the right place. Today, I want to remind you of the amazing benefit you will enjoy by having me as your bookkeeper and how I can solve the bookkeeping problem that might be holding your business back. Stay tuned. Let's talk about the benefit first. With me as your bookkeeper, you will gain a peace of mind, knowing that your books are accurate and up to date and complying with the latest financial regulation. Time saving. Free up hours in your week to focus on growing your business, not on managing receipts and transaction. Clear financial insights. Get easy to understand report that help you make better business decisions. Expert support. I'm always just a call or email away to answer your financial question or guide you through any bookkeeping challenges. But that is not all. Let's dive into the common bookkeeping problem I help businesses solve. And here is how I can make a difference. Messy or outdated book. If your book are a mess or have not been updated in a while, I specialize in bookkeeping cleanup and catch-up service to get you back on track. Confusion with account receivable and payable. I will manage your invoicing, payment, and expenses efficiently. Ensure cash flow is optimized. Transitioning from desktop to online. If you are still using QuickBooks Desktop, I can migrate your book to QuickBooks Online, giving you access to your finances anytime, anywhere. Compliance issue. I will help you avoid costly mistakes by ensuring your records are complying with tax law and financial regulation. Lack of financial clarity. I provide customized report and analysis so you know exactly where your business stands and can plan for the future with confidence. I'm here to support you, whether you are just starting out or have been in business for years. So if you are tired of the headache that come with the managing your book, reach out to me today. Let's work together to take your business to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms for more tips on managing your finances and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you achieve financial success. Bye for now.